I am going to discuss what is nested loops. A loop can be nested inside of another loop. That's nothing but before we have seen how many types of loops were there? For loop, while loop and do while loop. Now inside for loop, one more loop we have. Inside for loop, we have one more for loop. Okay, like this C++ is going to allow at least 256 levels of nesting. Okay, now for while loop, we have while loop and inside while loop we have one more while loop. Okay, this is going to be nested while loop. This is nested do while loop. Inside do while loop, we have one more do while loop. These particular loops we are going to call it as a nested loops. These types of loops we are going to call it as a nested loops. So we are going to program so that you'll understand better. Okay, we'll just program nested for loop. Okay, let's get started. So for initialization, okay, int I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. Okay, let's make it simple. Okay, I less than 5. Okay, then okay, inside for loop we have one more for loop. Okay, when I execute this particular program, I want this particular pattern to get executed. Okay, I want 0 0 and then I want 0 1, then I want 0 2. Okay, I want 0 3, 0 4. Okay, in the next line I want 1 0, then 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4. And next line I am going to add 2 0, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4. Okay, this particular pattern I want to see. So okay, how I am going to achieve this particular pattern? From where the particular I is going to start? Okay, think that this particular first number is going to be I. Okay, now if you see this particular nested loops, we have for loop and we have inside for loop we have one more loop. Okay, first I am taking the outer loop. I am going to take the variable I. Inside loop I will take the variable j. Okay, first. So first I is taking 0 and the particular condition is going to be tested I less than 5. Okay, I less than 5. Okay, I less than 5 is nothing but like this. How many times you are going to get? Okay, we are going to get the same sequence like 3 and I am going to get 4, 4 0, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4. Okay, like this I am going to get. Okay, 0 0 2, 4 0, because this first letter indicates I. Till where it is going to stop? It is going to stop till 4. Okay, now 5 less than 5. At that time condition is going to be failed. Okay, now let's do one more inner loop. Inner loop j equal to first. This is second number is nothing but j. Okay, second number is j. Okay, j is going to be initialized to 0 and then j less than till where the particular condition should fail. Okay, when j takes 5. Okay, j takes 5. At that time condition is going to be failed. So j plus plus, because for each increment the j value is going to be plus 1. So 1 2 3 4. Okay, like that. And get inside the loop and console output. I am taking first, I am going to see which value, I value. Next to that, I am going to see which value, I am going to see j value. So I am writing ij. Then after printing ij value, what is the space required? I am giving the tab space. So let me write tab space. Okay, this is nothing but inner loop. When inner loop fails, that's nothing but whenever j is taking 5, it is coming out of the loop. It's printing till here. When j equal to 5, this particular tab space 0 5 is not printed. Okay, now it need to take next line. And then it need to print 1 0. Okay, then what I need in the outer, whenever the inner loop fails, at that time I need cout endl. Okay, let's run this program and see. Okay, now see here. That's what I'm expecting. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4. Now j is going to be failed. Again it is going to increment I value. First it is 0, it is taking 1 now. Throughout this particular row it is taking I equal to 1. J is going to be incremented by 1. J is going to be incremented by 1. Okay, that's what this particular program is doing. Okay, now if I want to achieve the same program using while loop, if I want to achieve the same program using while loop, then what are the changes I am going to make in this program? Okay, I am going to get in the while loop. I need what is syntax for while loop? This syntax for while loop is while and condition. While and condition. Okay, I am going to initialize in the first step. Okay, I am going to initialize in the first step. Okay, then it's going to be I is going to be incrementing when it is coming here. Okay, now see here, and I'm just writing the condition while, that's all. Okay, that's all, while, and inside this one more while should be there. Okay, this initialization I am doing outside. Okay, now while this particular condition is expected, and inner loop it is going to increment every time by 1. Okay, every time it is going to increment by 1. Okay, then let's run this program. Now see here 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4. Okay, now it is going for next line and next line and next line, because this particular I is going to be incremented. Okay, now it is not entering into the J. Why? Because in the J it is taking every time J is going to be printed 5 only. Okay, now J is taking 5 less than 5. It is not entering into the inner loop. If I text into inner loop, then I am able to see ij values. Okay, as I am not able to enter into the inner loop, I am not able to see ij values. Okay, that's what's happening in this program. Okay, now can you do the same program using do while loop? Yes, you can do it by using do while loop. Okay, in the while I am going to take this particular condition end of the block, and then I am going to write here do. Okay, and I am going to do here. That's fine. Okay, do here. Now okay, now if I want to see this one, now what I should do? Here in this J, if I want to increment, I am going to initialize here. Okay, J I am going to initialize here. Now what happens? Now I is printed, and then J is, whenever the outer loop is coming, J is going to initialize to 0. Now I am able to see this particular program what I am expected. Okay, this particular program and whatever I am expected, it will return, because after each whenever it enters into outer loop, J is going to be initialized with 0. Before what I have done, J I have written where? Here. Before the for loop only I have initialized here. Okay, I have initialized here. When J becomes 5, then loop is going to fail. It's not taking the initialized value. Whenever this particular loop is executing, J every time it is taking 0. So I am able to see that particular pattern. Okay, now can you do the same program using while loop? Okay, let's do by using while loop. While is nothing but after doing the complete statements, I am going to verify the condition. Okay, I am going to verify the condition. That's all. That's the only change you are going to make when you want to run in the do while loop. Okay, let's run this program. It's going to give one and the same. Okay. Okay. After finishing while loop, it is expecting semicolon. After the while loop, it is expecting semicolon. Okay, that was the error. Okay. Okay, now you can see by using do while loop, I am able to execute the same program. Okay, the particular logic is going to be remain same. Okay, if you want to see line by line execution, how you are going to see the line by line execution? You are going to insert the breakpoint. And then you are able to see the particular compiler how it is working. Okay, you are able to see by using this particular inserting breakpoint. Whenever you insert the breakpoint, you will be able to see the execution. Okay, you will be able to see the execution. Okay, see, this is how the particular execution is taking place. Okay, now 0, 0. Okay, 0, 0 is printed. Okay, the next. Okay, in the next execution, what you are expecting? 0 is going to be same, but j is going to be incremented by 1 because still it is going to be in which loop? It is going to be still in the inner loop only. Whenever the particular compare is going to be in inner loop, the j value is going to be incremented by 1, but I is going to be remain the same. That's nothing but I is going to be 0 only. Okay, let's run this program again. Okay, F10 if you are going to do, what happens? J is going to be incremented. J is going to be incremented every time and it is tested. J is going to be less than 5 or not. When it is going to fail, when J takes 5. When J takes 5, the condition fails and then it is going to be coming out of the loop. Okay, whenever it comes out of the loop, now the particular cursor is going to blink in the next line because that's going to tell you that the particular inner loop execution is completed. Now again it is going to come and increment the value of I. Again it is going to come and increment the value of I. That's nothing but, see here, what it is taking, I is taking now 0 plus 1. That's nothing but 1. Okay, 1. Now j is what? J is going to be 0. J is going to be 0. Okay, when we are going to initialize this j equal to 0 in this particular in int I equal to 0 and we have put in the next line only int j equal to 0, before we are not able to see the particular whatever it is you are expecting I j values, you are not able to see, but now you will be able to see because now a is initialized to 0. Okay, before it was taking, when this particular execution j is taking before 5. Okay, you can see this one, j is taking 5. Okay, now what you are doing? You are making j equal to 0. Okay, when this particular execution takes place, when it enters into this, okay, now see here, it is entering and it is printing what value? It is going to print, see here, it's going to print j equal to 0. Okay, I is 1. Throughout this particular line, inner loop, I is going to be 1, but j is going to be incremented by 1. Okay, whenever the j loop fails, whenever the j condition fails, it will completely come out of the loop. Now you can see, j is going to be incremented by every execution, it is going to increment by 1. It's going to increment by 1. Okay, let's run this program. Okay, now when the particular j is taking 5, at that time it is failing. When j takes 5, at that time condition fails and it is completely coming out of the loop. So that's what it is going to be. Okay, now till the particular inner loop is satisfied, that particular execution takes place with the inner loop only. When inner loop fails, it will come to the outer loop and it will execute. It will check the condition. Again, it will go to the inner loop. When outer loop also fails, then it will completely come out of that loop. Okay. Now you can see this one. Okay, the second sequence is expected 1 0 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4. Okay, when the particular I will be failed when the particular I is taking 5. Okay, that's what it is. Okay, next the next execution I is going to be taking 2. The next time it is going to be, in the next increment it is taking 3, then in the next increment it is taking 4, then next increment it is going to fail the condition and then it is going to get out of this particular loop. Okay, now you can see this pattern. Okay, 3 is printed, next sequence is 4 you are expected. Okay, 4 series will be printed. Okay, when I takes 5, at that time the condition is going to be failed. Okay, when condition is going to be failed, then it is completely coming out of the loop. Okay, now I takes 5, it is going to test 5 less than 5, it is going to be failed, then it will pass the control to the system pass. There's nothing that is going to press any key. That's how it is going to happen with the nested loops. Okay, if you understood this, then just see the next requirement. Okay, just see the next requirement. I want to print. Okay, Okay, let me remove the breakpoint also. Okay, this is how you are going to remove the breakpoint. Delete all the breakpoints. Then it is going to ask that you want to delete all the breakpoints. You say it is. Okay, now this particular pattern I want. That pattern is, it is going to continue and it is going to end at 0 9. Okay, this is going to be ended for each particular statement. I am expecting the same. Okay, it need to end and it is going to be 1. okay, till it's going to be 2, it's going to be 9, and here the same sequence, I'm expecting the same sequence, okay, till 9 it is going to print, okay, till 9 it is going to print, okay, this continues, okay, this continues. Okay, this sequence has nothing but from 0, 0. From 0, 0 I am starting. It need to end till 0, 9. And next line it is going to come and increment the value of I. It is going to go till 1, 9. Then it need to print the 9, 0 the pattern to 9, 9 pattern. Then what is the change you are expected in this program? What is the change you are expected? I is going to be starting from 0 only. I is going to start from 0 only. Okay, then till when it is going to end? When I takes 10 value, okay, I takes 10 value, then you are going to write here 10, okay, I less than 10, or you can write it, I less than or equal to, I less than equal to 9, I less than equal to 9 you can write, or you can make it I less than 10, that's one in the same condition, okay, okay, then here also you are expected, what's the j value it is taking last, it is taking 9, that's nothing but when the condition should fail, when j takes 10, that's nothing but j 10 less than 10, at that time it is coming out of that particular loop, okay, and then j reaches 9, okay, j reaches 9, it is printed. When j takes 10, it need to come out of the loop. Okay, now let's run this program and see. Yeah, you can see this particular pattern 0, 0, 2, 0, 9. Okay, again 9, 0, 2, 9, 9. Okay, now this particular pattern is finished. Okay, can you do by using the while loop? The same particular pattern I want to see using while loop. And what the change you are going to make in this program? What the change you are going to make in this program? You are going to tell this particular while. That's fine. Okay. Now next here also you are going to remove this one, and then you are going to make it inside this here, and then you are removing the semicolon. That's the only change you are going to make. Okay. That's the only change. Okay. Now let's run this program. You are expecting the same result. Okay. Even if you do with the while loop or do while loop, it is going to give the same result. Okay, let's do with for loop also. Let's do with for loop also. What's the syntax for for loop? What is the syntax for for loop? The syntax is for keyword and then initialization. Initialization is going to take place in the same line. The initialization is going to take the same line. Okay, next is the increment operator. Increment operator. Okay, if you are incrementing here again, you don't want to increment here, so remove here. Okay, then what's the next statement? Okay, inside the for loop, you are expecting one more for loop. Initialization is going to be in the first condition itself. First condition. Second condition is nothing but condition you are going to write. In the third statement, you are expecting j plus plus. Okay, if you are writing j plus plus here, then if you don't need, just remove this one. That's the only change you are expecting. Okay, for loop, that's nothing but you have three statements. Int I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. Okay, that's nothing but first is the initialization, second is checking the condition, third is nothing but increment or decrement. Let's run this program. You are expected the same result, you will be getting the same result, okay, the same result, irrespective of which loop you are going to do, I am getting the same result. Okay, now I want this particular pattern, then I am going to achieve. You can insert the breakpoint and you can see for this while and for loop also. Now I want this particular pattern, okay, I want here, in place of this one, I want this particular one, okay, 0, 1, okay, next it should print 0, 2, okay, 0, 2 it need, okay, then again I need 0, 3, okay, 0, 3, 0, 4, okay, 0, 4, like this I want, okay, vertically I want, then what the change I am going to make here, I am going to see here, this j value, I am going to make it interchanging this particular value. That's all. You can run this program and you can see. Okay. Now that's nothing but this j is going to be remain same, but I is going to be incremented. See here 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. The inverse pattern vertically you are able to see this one. Okay. Now j is nothing but j is going to be incremented 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 horizontally. Okay. I is going to remain what? Same, 0 only it is remaining. Okay, I is remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how you are going to program with nested loops. Okay, let's continue in the next session.